Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
買呢個啊，
我想要嗰個，
呢個好過嗰個喎。
呢個都貴過嗰個。
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
貴
expensive,
平
cheap,
嗰個 That one, please.
買
to buy,
呢個
this one,
賣
to sell.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
買呢個啊，
我想要嗰個，
呢個好過嗰個喎。
呢個都貴過嗰個。
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.